Jodak gwenge ko mago mag Macalder mayudore kachunudunindo mano manyatike county ma Migori. Koro nitno nyiso ichwang mar gigo mokalo kalure koda thoe mar jomoko ariyo mobende ne ochiel koda magina e kinde mane ng'anyo dhi nyime kotenore koda rach mar arita kwee e gwenge ma Macalder kono. Macalder mabendo ng'ere koda weche giko mago mag ohala mar kunyo mula. Koro ni to oganda makono yok mokalo ni weche giko mago mag arita kwee ok ober kata matin. Kagisayo bila e kinde mabende ne ochielo kod magina ma ochunego jomoko ariyo e gwenge makono e kinde giko mane gimanyo ratiro margi kotenore koda rach mar arita kwee.
People have stayed here for over 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Yes. We know the regulation says that you should not stay that long in a police station. What is so special about these other ones? And who is covering them? I have talked to the highest authority in this county, and they have told me they have tried to transfer, but there is somebody blocking the transfer. We want to know who that person is. Yes. Who is that person who is above law? Who is that person? We are in broad-based government for peace. Yes. In this broad-based government, every individual must be taken care of. But we also have a way of taking care of ourselves. If the government cannot listen to us, we will not listen to the government. Yes. Yes. They listen to us, we listen to them. We are angered because in 24 hours we've lost 3 people. Young people below 25 years. How? And we have a government that is in place. This is not Haiti. This is a working government. This is a democratic government. We are not going to allow that. We are not going to stomach that. Before we leave tonight, this policeman in this station must leave. Until now, we have lost 3 people within 24 hours. That's when they're coming to do a meeting. What will the meeting help us with? Let us do what is necessary. First of all, ni kutoa watu hapa. Hapa kuna forest. Hii forest, kuna watu wameletwa kuchunga forest. We want to know wanachunga nini ndani ya forest. Because wajambazi wakipiga watu hapa wanakimbia ndani ya forest. How comes hawakutani nao wenye wanachunga forest? We are not fools. So they can have their meeting. We will give them space to have their meeting. But that meeting, let it go on as transfers are happening. Yes. The truth is, these people here are frustrated.
Mi mwanzo ndio walikuwa wameiba vitu zangu za duka, mpaka saa hizi sina duka. Sina duka, hata vile nimesimama, hata vile nakula, watu ndio wananisaidia tu. Punde si punde, mtoto pia ambaye anatafuta tu vitu zake, ambaye msaidie maisha yake pia, walimshoot jana. Punde si punde, leo tulikuwa tunataka kuenda kwa polisi tujue ni nini inatendeka. Hawa mapolisi ama ni wananchi. Sasa wameanza kushutu watu. Mpaka wameua ule mtoto ambaye alikuja tu kutafuta pesa, ambaye anataka kuregister aende university.